In this video, I'll show you how to use widgets. Widgets are essentially the building blocks of your site. They're used to add text, images, icons, and much more to a web page. To add a widget, click Widgets on the side panel to open the Widgets panel. You can search for a widget by browsing through the list or using the widget search bar. Then, you'll click and drag the widget to the location you want in the site. The blue placement indicator tells you if you're adding the widget to a new or existing row or column. To edit an existing widget, hover over it and right-click on the widget to see the context menu. Every widget has slightly different options, but most have the following. Clicking Edit Design allows you to change the style of the widget, including color, text, images, and more, as well as change the spacing and padding surrounding it. You can also edit the content within the widget, change the alignment, add an exit or entrance animation, choose to hide this widget on a certain device, copy and paste it, set it as an anchor, meaning you can send visitors directly to this section of the site, and also edit the HTML and CSS.